Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw your Stellar cryptocurrency from Bitmart and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with some Stellar XLM in it, and MetaMask installed on your device. Also, remember that Stellar isn't native to Ethereum, so you might need to use a wrapped version or a bridge. I'll touch on that. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for security to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the website or app, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for protecting your assets. Next, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Stellar balance and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, Stellar XLM. Now, here's a key point. MetaMask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, so if you're withdrawing directly to it, ensure you're using a compatible address. You might need to bridge your Stellar to something like Wrapped XLM on Ethereum first. Copy your MetaMask wallet address carefully. Double-check it to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Once you've entered the address, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Bitmart will show you the network fees, so keep an eye on those, they can vary. Review everything, then hit Confirm, and complete any additional security steps, like email verification or 2FA codes. After that, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to MetaMask. If you've bridged it properly, you should see your Stellar assets there. If not, check your transaction history on Bitmart or use a blockchain explorer to track it. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only withdraw what you need. If you run into any issues, Bitmart's support or community forums can be a big help. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn Stellar from Bitmart to MetaMask. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.